Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a take profit in KuCoin. So the first step is you need to open this KuCoin in your browser, and then when you are here, you have to click on the settings icon on the top right corner, and then you will have the option of profit and loss alerts. So simply click on this and enable this. After that, in the order placing panel for limit and market order, you just need to click on the take profit and stop loss. So click on the limit or market and you will have the option of it, and I don't have trading futures enabled, so I cannot show you for the process, but you just need to choose last price or mark price to trigger the order. Set your take profit price and stop loss price and then confirm your order. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.